My name is David Pritchard and I'm originally from Pwllheli. I spent all my young days in Pwllheli, mostly on the beach and in the harbour with the fishing boats. We had everything here. We had the sea, the countryside and a good crowd of people. Our back garden was facing the sea and our front garden was facing the harbour. So in a way we had the sea all round us. I really don't know what the connection is, but I do love it. It just draws me in there somehow. I want to be near it and in it and on it. It really does do something for me. And my brother had gone to sea, but it's always been there, and been working on fishing boats and things in Pwllheli, because I wasn't keen on school anyway. I used to say to Mum, I'm going to school, but I'd go to the boatyard, and that was it. And then when I was 15 and a half, I went to sea. I went to a sea school first for 10 weeks in Sharpness in Gloucester. It was an old German sailing ship, a steel first German sailing ship. I did the 10 weeks there, and then you had to go to Liverpool and they find you ships. So my first ship was the Persic Shore Savile. We sailed from there to Belgium, to Antwerp. Growing up, we only spoke Welsh in the house. It was mostly Welsh until I left school. I couldn't speak, I couldn't understand half the lads talking because it was all English. But it was a happy ship and a good crowd of fellas on it. And then I came home to Pwllheli and I could even speak English. And I've got my own little boat there now. I find it very hard going now. Doesn't matter where you go or how long for. Don't forget, there's nowhere like home.
Na fi se fach gen ieuanc ffôl yn byw yn ôl fy ffansi. Ma fi'n bugeilio'r gwenith gwyn ac arall yn ei